Hey guys, it's Susan. Today I want to show you how to make 3 pairs of Christmas earrings. This one is so delicate and dainty. It's got a little northern star charm. I've got a freshwater pearl at the bottom, and then I've got my earring backing. It's like a drop curved earring. This is so sweet on. And then the second one is a little larger. This is a larger pearl. This must be 8 or 10 millimeters. And then I have a pearl star at the bottom. Also very cute. And this last one, I love this earring, and it fits so nicely on your ear. It's got a little dainty rhinestone in the middle, and then I've got a star on the top, a freshwater pearl in the middle, and cute little green berry dangles. So I hope you like these designs. Let's get started making them. So the first one that we're going to do is this one. So we're going to need some green pearls. So I've got 3 of them, and I put them on head pins, real short head pins. I've got a freshwater pearl, I've got my star, and my earring backing. So what I need to do is cut off about, I'd say 2 inches of wire, and I'm using 22 gauge. So let me move this aside so the camera can focus. And then what I need to do on one end is I need to make an eye pin. So I'm going to use my round pliers, and I'm going to pinch it down and just bring the wire to the back. And then come up with my, pinch it down and then roll it towards me to make my loop. Like that. If my loop's a little crooked, I can use my chain nose pliers and just straighten it out a little. Okay, then I'm going to put on my freshwater pearl. Then I'm going to add my star. And then what I need to do here is I need to make a loop. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the wire to the back. And then I'm going to cut. So I have about 1 centimeter of wire showing right here. Cut that. And then using my round nose pliers, I'm going to roll until I have a loop. Just like that. Okay, let me throw this little scrap away. And this is going to hang like that. I think it's the right one. Yep. And then what I need to do is make my little dangles at the bottom. So I've got some green pearls. I've got my little head pins. I'm going to put it right through. And I'm going to go ahead and bring the wire to the back. Cut again so I have 1 centimeter of wire showing. And roll. Roll it towards me. I straighten out this loop. This one got a little wonky. Okay, so let me do the other 2. Okay, I have all 3 done. I'm going to go ahead and connect to my bottom pearl. So I'm going to open up the loops that I made. I'm going to twist it up, hang it on, hang on my pearl, and then close it down. Do the same for the other 2. Okay, looks really good. Now we're going to connect straight on to our earring. So let's open up the top here. hang on our earring and close it down. And there you have it, so pretty, so festive. Okay, let's go on to earring number 2. I don't need a lot of supplies for this. I need a head pin, and I need my freshwater pearl, and I need my charm and my earring backing. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a simple loop at the top by bringing this wire to the back, cutting it so I have 1 centimeter of wire showing, and then rolling it towards me with my round nose pliers. Then I'm going to go ahead and connect everything. So, oops, let me switch out from my chain nose pliers, open that up, put on my northern star, close it down. This one I'm going to open up my earring backing. I'm going to hang that on. And close it down. These earrings are so sweet and so easy to make. Okay, let's go on to number 3. I'm going to use some 22 gauge wire, and I need to cut about 2 inches of this. So let me form a loop on one side, because I need to make a connector, an eye pin. So let me get that. Straighten that out a little. Then I'm going to add my daisy spacer, and this is a large pearl. This is a plastic. These large pearls are from Daiso. And then I'm going to add my bead cap to the top, and then I need to make a loop on the top of this. So I'm going to bring the wire to the back, cut, and roll. Okay, I have my main body done, and now I need to make my star. So I've got my pearl star, and I have a head pin that I put through it, and I'm going to go ahead and make another simple loop at the bottom, the top of the star. Push the wire to the back, cut, and roll. Now I'm going to connect everything. So let me get my pliers. I'm going to pull this loop open by twisting it. I'm going to hang on my star and twist it back down. I can either open up this loop or this loop. I'm going to open up the top loop, hang on my earring, and close it down. And there you have that. So cute. And there you have your 3 Christmas earrings. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.